Welcome to your latest site briefing from Astra Bay. We are focused on precision and speed as we complete our crucial substructure, laying the powerful foundation for the tower to rise. The initial groundwork is virtually complete. Our excavation works are now 90% finalized, with only minor finishing sections remaining before we conclude this phase entirely. Beneath the surface, progress is moving consistently through the basement levels. In Basement 2, we are setting a rock-solid base, with the slab blinding now 60% complete. This allows us to keep a firm pace on the main structural components, as both the main slab casting and the critical steelworks are advancing smoothly at 45% completion. Moving up to Basement 1, our team is busy reinforcing the framework. We have 40% of the formwork and steelworks already completed, ensuring maximum strength as we prepare for the final stages below ground. In parallel, slab casting is also 40% done, keeping us right on track with our project schedule. Finally, we are transitioning to the level where the structure will soon emerge. We've already begun work on the lower ground floor, where both the formwork and steelworks are 35% complete, marking the definitive start of the structure above the basement levels. Every percentage point means we are closer to bringing the vision of Astra Bay to life.